What's up YouTube, back again, another video today, and in this one I'm going to be reviewing a product I thought I would never need. So like I said, this is one of those products I thought I would never need to buy, and anyway, at the beginning of this year I started doing a lot of work on my car. It was in a smash and I was repairing it myself, and I've got obviously socket sets, etc. You know, I've got some good ones, but time consuming, taking things off, and you know, it's just a lot of work. And I was like, if I've never done anything so intense on cars, you know, before. I've done little jobs but nothing, so I thought I've got to get something that's going to make my life a lot easier. So I went on to Amazon, as you do, and I was looking for a impact driver for taking wheels off and getting nuts off, etc. Just making my life a lot simpler. Anyway, so I came across this one. It's got 370 reviews at time of filming this video, and it's in the 4.3 area, so I thought £60, £79p it was exactly. It's got 8% off at the moment in the UK, so I'll leave a link below to anyone who might want one of these. Anyway, what is it? It's an impact driver. I've got cordless screwdrivers, I've got cordless drills, I've got all them sort of things. I thought, am I ever going to need one of these? My God, it just makes things so much easier. Anyway, so it's no point doing a review on something, just unboxing it and saying, yeah, wow, what, you know, some things you've got to use. And as you can see from this, it's getting a little bit battered now. It's been used so many times, and it has made my life it's just so much easier using one of these on a car if you're doing work compared to using wrenches all the time, or, you know, sockets, etc. With this, it just gets things off and done in no time. Now, this is a 20 volt one, as you can see here. It's got it there, 20 volts. And what else have we got? It's with these things, you can buy cheap ones, I guess. I was looking at one actually in Aldi, and there was one in there, I think it was about £40. I thought, you know, why is this one so cheap compared to others? And then when I've looked into it, it's about the torque. Now, the torque is obviously the amount of power that's in the motor to be able to take things off. And this one, it's got a torque of 350 foot-pounds or 475 newton meters of torque. And again, like I said, it's a 12 volt battery. It was the 1/2 inch chuck, so I thought this is going to be the one for me. And like I said, it basically is a quick review, but if you're doing a lot of work on a car or things that you need to, you know, get the job done quicker, definitely think about investing in one of these. For me, it was a godsend. You know, since buying this, I've done, you know, a lot more jobs on my daughter's car. She needed like the springs replacing, undoing springs. If you've ever done anything like that, it's laborious, and if you're not used to it, your hands are gonna be killing. With this, it was, well, you know, well, that's not the noise it makes, but, and it was it was so much easier doing all these jobs. Anyway, it's just a quick review. I've had it now since May. What were you now? May, June, July, August, September. No, August. So I've had it for 3 months. It's been really good. You know, I think I even left it out in the rain one night. I came back to it, and yeah, it fired up. It was not a problem. So yeah, I do rate this device. It's the PULITUO. I don't know if it's Italian, but it sounds it. It's made in China anyway, but it's the cordless impact wrench. The tool I never thought I'd need, but I did. Check it out. The link's going to be below. Again, one other thing I will say. I don't know if you can see that there, but you've got different settings here. And actually when I didn't, you know, I just took it out the box, started using it. I was thinking, it's not that strong. And then, silly me, you've got to read the instructions. It's got adjustable power. So you've got like 100 Newton meters, 150, 200, 300, and then the max. So it's like five mode of torque adjustments. So yeah, it is amazing. It really is. Now as well, one thing I will say, it's got a like a 5. Well, no, what was it? 5 hours? No, it's a 1 hour fast charge. That's the charger you do get with it, and it does come with a carry case. I don't know where that's gone. I've just got it in my toolbox now, and you do get some little sockets as well. Now these, I didn't think they'd be any good, but they've been fine for me so far for doing the jobs I've needed to do. So with this, you know, I've been changing springs on my car, on my daughter's car. I did a lot of work on the suspension on my car. Just things that you know, wheels on and off, that sort of thing. I was jacking the car up, you know. So it just saved me for 60 quid. I've probably saved myself, I don't know, 5-6 hours of strain over the last few months. Without this, I probably wouldn't have tackled some of the jobs I decided to tackle with the car repairs. Anyway, it's a definite win for me. Like I said, the link will be in the description. If you're into car repairs or anything like that, or you know, you need something that is just going to make your life a lot easier, go for something like this. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, guys.